Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of the Whiskey River Woodshop. Today we're going to be working on a couple plaques for the Toppers Car Club. It's just their logo cut into some wood at one of the members' requests that this coming weekend is the Toppers Car Club car show in West Fargo at the Veterans Memorial Arena. I'm probably not going to have this video out in time for you to go check it out, but you can look them up online and check it out next year. If you're seeing this and you're a member of Toppers and you want one for yourself, reach out to us. I'll put a link in the description where you can send us an email to get your own. Anyway, I'm gonna go get the mill set up and let's get to cutting. So this is something I don't really have to do very often. This V-bit, so it's got a changeable carbide on it, as you can see. The tip got knocked down, which doesn't happen often. In fact, this is the first time in like 2 years this has happened. Sometimes there'll be a little pebble of granite stuck in the wood from when the tree was growing, or a hidden piece of old nail or something. And you can see, if I can get it to focus, that right at the point, it's kind of nicked off. So I hit something. I never found what I hit, but I gotta flip the blade, give it a rotation. Sometimes they're a bugger to line up, and when you take them apart, it's good to get a little something and clean up and around there. Anyway, so part of the process that I really only have to do once every few months. I'm good about controlling my feeds and speeds so that I don't really have an issue with dulling bits. I try never to push my bits hard enough for them to actually get hot, because usually it's heat that will dull a blade quicker than anything else. However, once in a while we'll catch a piece of something in the wood that you just can't see. Yeah, there we go. And I just got to find a good point that hasn't been used. Sometimes getting the little screw back in and getting everything lined up and straight is not a lot of fun, but you know, take care of your bits. You don't have to do this very often. I find even cutting very hard wood that my bits tend to stay sharp because I don't push them hard as I could push them. As I said before, heat is the enemy of sharp. So the trick with these is getting them aligned. So, oh, I'm off the camera. There we go. Trying to get them centered up, and you can kind of see if you're looking close at the edges. I've been off the camera 100 times doing this. Sorry about that. Where you want, and tighten it up a little bit to stay, and then I'm gonna get after it. There we go, and that should be pretty close. I'm gonna put it on the mill and just kind of spin it by hand and see how that the point doesn't wander around a little bit. I might have to adjust it a couple more times before I actually get cutting, but anyway, so the end of this intermission. Thank you for tuning into this episode of the Whiskey River Woodshop. Please like and subscribe. I think I might be up to 15 subscribers by now, getting popular. Anyway, every click helps, every like helps, leave a comment, it all helps. And if you're part of the Toppers Car Club and are interested in having one of those of your own, just send us an email. I'll put the email address in the description so you can reach out to us. Thanks for watching.